Hey garden enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel, where we help you make your garden grow bigger, better, and smarter. Today, I've got 5 new genius garden hacks that are going to save you time, money, and effort. These simple tips will keep your garden thriving while saving you hundreds of dollars. Let's jump right in. Hack number 1, DIY drip irrigation system, save on water bills. First up is the DIY drip irrigation system. A good irrigation system can cost you a fortune, but with a little creativity you can make your own for next to nothing. You'll need a few old plastic bottles, a needle, and some string. Start by poking small holes in the sides of the bottles, then place the bottles upside down near the base of your plants. Run string from a water container to the bottles, so they'll get a steady drip of water. This system uses way less water than traditional methods, and you won't have to stand out there with a hose every day. Hack number 2, use eggshells as seed starters, cheap and eco-friendly. Eggshell seed starters. Not only are eggshells free, but they're biodegradable and rich in calcium, which your plants love. After cracking your eggs, simply wash out the shells, fill them with soil, and plant your seeds inside. Once the seedlings are ready, you can plant the whole shell directly in the ground. It's like a nutrient-packed container that breaks down naturally in the soil. Perfect for seedlings like tomatoes, peppers, and herbs. Hack number 3, create your own compost, cut down on fertilizer costs. Why spend tons on fertilizers when you can make your own compost? Composting is an easy way to recycle your kitchen and garden waste, turning it into rich, organic material for your plants. You can use kitchen scraps like vegetable peels, fruit rinds, coffee grounds, and even old leaves from the garden. Set up a simple compost bin in your backyard. In just a few weeks, you'll have nutrient-dense soil that costs you nothing and helps your plants thrive. Say goodbye to expensive store-bought fertilizers. Hack number 4. Repurpose old tires for vertical gardening. Maximize your space. For hack number 4, let's talk about vertical gardening with old tires. If you have a small garden or limited space, this is a game changer. Stack old tires, fill them with soil, and you have a perfect vertical planter for herbs, strawberries, or even flowers. Not only are you repurposing something that would otherwise go to waste, but you're also maximizing your garden space. Vertical gardening is perfect for those of you who want to grow more in less space. Hack number 5, DIY Natural Pesticide, keep pests away for pennies. Finally, hack number 5 is a DIY natural pesticide. Chemical pesticides can be harmful and expensive. Instead, try making your own using ingredients you probably already have at home. All you need is garlic, hot peppers, dish soap, and water. Blend the garlic and peppers, add a little dish soap, then mix it with water. Spray this on your plants and it'll keep pests like aphids and caterpillars away, without harming your plants or the environment. Plus, it's super cheap to make. And there you have it. 5 genius garden hacks that'll not only save you hundreds of dollars, but will also make your gardening life so much easier. Which hack are you most excited to try out? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video if you found these tips helpful. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more gardening hacks, tips, and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening!